line equations from 2 points. All right, so our directions say what is an equation of the line that passes through points 4, -5 and 2, 0. Okay, so they don't really give us any parameters here. They just want an equation from our 2 points, right? So we've got 4, -5, and 2, 0. Okay, so we could find slope-intercept form probably not too easily because this is our x-intercept and not our y-intercept. So probably the easiest form to use here is going to be point slope. So we still have to find our slope, right? Point slope is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1, right? So we're filling in a y coordinate from our point, our slope, and we're filling in an x coordinate from our point, right? And we could use any point we want. I'm going to use 4, -5, right? So I'm going to fill in my -5 since that's my y coordinate and it stays with my y variable. I'm going to fill in my 4 since that's my x coordinate of my point, so it stays with my x variable. And then the last thing I need to do is find my slope, right? So slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And so I'm going to go ahead and point out, make sure that you designate which point is which. It doesn't matter which one you make point 1 and point 2, it just matters that you're consistent once you pick a first point. So I'm going to do y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. You want to make sure you're real careful with those negatives. So 0 minus a -5 is the same thing as saying 0 plus 5. So 0 plus 5 is 5, and 2 minus 4 is -2. So my slope is -5 over 2. And I could simplify this a little bit more. Y plus 5 equals -5 over 2, x minus 4. I should be able to type that right in. So y plus 5, let's see here, y plus 5 equals -5 over 2, and then it was x minus 4. And let's see what Delta Math says. Oh, they liked it. They came up with a point in slope-intercept form, but we know that that's going to be the same. So, cool.